How to replace a human touch Novo XT Pro Plus air valve bank. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, small zip ties, and one 11-inch zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Cut the zip tie that secures the connector to the air valve bank, then disconnect the connector. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the air valve bank to the chair. Cut the heads of the zip ties that secure the air valve bank hoses. Cutting the heads helps ensure that you do not inadvertently cut the hoses. Place the new air valve bank next to the old one, making sure the ends facing you match. One at a time, remove each hose from the old bank and connect it to the new one. This ensures that each hose is connected to the correct fitting. Install a new zip tie to secure each hose connection. Cut the excess zip ties. Place the air valve bank into position with the end hose facing downward, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Connect the air valve bank connectors. Using an 11-inch zip tie, secure the air valve bank connector to the air valve bank. Cut the excess zip tie. Note the 2 largest tabs on the bottom of the back cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, raise the back cover, then lower the cover slightly to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Raise the back cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 6 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.